60s right now. It's a little slicker at the departure end, at the rollout end of 5 left. Friction's good, but the snow accumulation now, it's up to about a half an inch, and it's still coming down. I'm going to call it dry snow right now. We're good up to 2 inches of dry snow. If we got more than a half an inch of wet, we can't use the runway. Just so I'll let you know what's going on with the accumulation.
2,100 overcast, temperature minus 4, dew point minus 6.
Roger that. We're going to keep watching it. 10-4. I'm headed back in to do a field report, and I'll be back out on the field in about 15 or 20 minutes. Roger. I'm fixing to head up to the snow nest myself, and I'll talk to you when you come up.
Ground, truck 6. Truck 6, ground.
140, looks like he's been out in the DI. He's learning to run us anywhere else on the road.
5 left. On Bravo 5, I'd like to travel ramp.
If you want to, come over in front of building 200 and kindly work a way out in case this delta in the corner is going to leave anytime, whenever. If you want to go ahead and work him a way out. Roger, will do. Just work it all over toward the building 200, and then when we get the blower free, we can come to and blow it. Alpha 10 is entering ramp 3 and truck 6. Equipment 58, we got to watch for the sewers over here.